Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and today I will tell you 3 things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So if I cannot find my headphones on any device, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just resetting the Bluetooth connection. By clicking here in the app menu or in the settings, you have to open the connected devices and connection preferences. Now go to the Bluetooth and turn it on, turn it off and turn it on again. Then look for your device again. If you still don't have your device here, try to change the name of your device to give some refresh to the Bluetooth settings. Now we can check the for device again. How you can see now Lenovo TAB looking for other devices. If you don't have your device here, what I do is resetting my device and my Bluetooth accessory. To reset, just hold the power button and click restart. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth device is visible for your tablet or a phone, and how to open the pair mode on your device you will find it in the manual instructions. Okay, the next step is if you are sure that your device is in the pair mode and it's visible for other devices, it's just simply resetting the Bluetooth settings. To do it, just go to the settings, open the system section and look for the reset options. Now reset VLAN and Bluetooth. We can do it here. How you can see, my network settings have been reset, and just look for your device again. If you don't have your device, you can always try to update your system. If you have any updates available, just install it on your device and check it again after the restart. And the last recommendation from me, you have to check your Bluetooth accessory on other device and your device on other device like a laptop, other phone, to check that is problem with your Bluetooth device or maybe with your tablet. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.